back now with the ruling AIDMK in Tamil Nadu proposing to set up a satellite town near Chennai. DMK chief M. Karunanidhi today said that his government had initiated a similar effort in 2006, but Chief Minister Jayalalitha, who was the then opposition leader, had slammed the move. Now, writing in DMK mouthpiece Murasoli, Karunanidhi said that his government had in 2006 proposed to develop a satellite city and had selected 30,000 acres near the Vandalur Kelambakam for this purpose, which was planned in a way to ensure that there was no displacement of people already residing in those areas. Now, recalling Jayalalitha's statement on September 1st of 2006, Karunanidhi said that she had slammed the then DMK government's move, alleging that it was being done to benefit Karunanidhi's grandnephews, the Maran brothers, among others. Well, it's what all of us do when we have to take a train. That's battle street traffic, push and shove our luggage, push our way through crowds, of course, maneuver luggage as well, and rush into stations hurriedly, searching for the information on platforms from where we can board our trains. But what if the display boards do not work? Something passengers say they have been the case as far as Chennai Central is concerned over the last 10 days. Lalit Jude has this report. You can search for the arrival and departure information all you want, but the digital display boards on platform number 3 and 4 will remain blank as they have been for the last 10 days.
Central Station is a very important railway station in one of the India and Asia also. Due to the display board is not all functioning for the past 10 days, and due to that all the passengers stranded and they are even chance of missing the train. So please I request the railway board to make it function as soon as possible so the passenger won't get stranded.
I heard that there is a 10 days there is no board at all. It's very difficult to find out the departure time and arrival time. So each and every passengers, they feel very difficult without board.
Here in the Chennai railway station, the electronic boards are not working properly. Because of it, it's very difficult for all the passengers to know the information about the railway's arrival and departures. If it could be repaired earlier, it would be better for them.
Of course, relevant information is being displayed on smaller plasma TVs, but you will find more commercial advertisements running than information on train schedules. Railway officials say that they are in the process of replacing the electronic digital boards. But passengers say that the A1 graded Chennai Central Railway Station, which generates 15 lakh rupees every day, should offer better amenities 24/7. In Chennai, with Lalit Jude, this is Ashmit Kumar for NDTV Hindu. Now on to some national updates. In an apparent relief to Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi, the Supreme Court today refused to pass any order on his alleged role in the 2003 Gujarat riots after Godhra carnage. Now the Apex Court said that it's for the trial court to decide whether a case can be registered against Modi in the Gujarat riots. Now the Apex Court referred to the matter to the concerned magistrate in Ahmedabad. Well, the widow of Ehsan Jafri was very disappointed with the order. She said that she's very upset and had no faith in the Gujarat's courts.
यही उम्मीद थी कि वो मेरे हक में फैसला होगा और अभी भी मुझे फैसला तो मालूम पड़ा ही नहीं। जब तक कि तीस्ता मैडम का फिल्म नहीं आएगा, जब तक मैं कुछ आपको बता नहीं सकती। अभी भी मेरे को सुप्रीम कोर्ट से मैं ना उम्मीद नहीं हूँ, मुझे फैसला जरूर मिलेगा। देखिए जितनी सब बातें थी, इतना सब हुआ था, मैं 9 साल से सब बता रही हूँ उनको, तब भी उनको एक बात का भी मेरा यकीन नहीं आया। सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जितने जो सब थे, जो चल रहे थे, जब वहां से वो 2002 में जो हुए थे, उस रोज के बाद से जब तक अभी तक का मैंने सब सबूत एक एक बयान और कहीं मर्तबा जैसे आप लोग आते थे तब कितनी मर्तबा बोलूं, हर मर्तबा उसको सबूत रखे थे। उसके ऊपर भी कोई एक सबूत भी उनको बराबर नहीं मिला इतने सबूत के अंदर। अब मेरे पे जो बीती भी है तो वो सबूत बराबर से कैसे नहीं मिले होंगे सुप्रीम कोर्ट को और एसआईटी को, कैसे नहीं मिले होंगे? जो मेरे आंखों देखा हाल मेरे ऊपर जो बीती है, मैं वो सही बताऊंगी ना, झूठ तो नहीं बताऊंगी ना। जो उनके बारे में भी सही था वही मैंने बताया, जो गलत बात थी तो नहीं बताई। मेरा घर क्या मैंने खुद अपना जला दिया। मेरे शोहर को खुद मैंने लोगों को, गुंडों को बुलाकर बोला कि इनको कत्ल करो और मार डालो। अब वो तो आज खुशी क्या जश्न मना रहे होंगे कि भाई देखो अपना फैसला। वो तो अभी तक तो उनकी रात की नींद हराम होगी। हम इतनी दुआएं कर रहे थे कि हमारे हक में फैसला हो, इस तरह वो भी दुआएं कर रहे होंगे। तो अब उनको राहत मिली कि चलो अपने हक में ही फैसला हुआ, जिसके ऊपर इतने दिन से मैं 10 बरस से उम्मीद लगाए बैठी थी, 9 साल से। जब वहां से मुझे नहीं मिला कुछ भी, तो अब वहां से मैं उनसे क्या उम्मीद लगा सकती हूँ? हाँ, वो तो गुजरात की कोर्ट है, सब हमारा ही लेन देन है।
तो अब आप काफी आपको
बहुत मायूसी होगी।
अब आगे क्या?
यही और जो अभी कर रही थी अभी तक वही करूंगी।
मतलब आप चाहती हैं फिर से सुप्रीम कोर्ट में अपील की जाए? क्या
हाँ, अपील ही करूंगी ना, उसके लिए तो अपील ही है।
My mother, she is in Ahmedabad, she is in Surat. I had told your media people that you please go to her and talk to her only after we have talked to her. Now, okay, what is she doesn't know. Media वाले जाके बोल रहे हैं उनको, you are going to tell them कि भाई clean sheet दे दिया, so then she is reacting to that, and I could not contact her. So it is she doesn't have the information. Yes, I talked to her just few minutes back and I said that please don't react to what the media people are telling you. This is not the case. They are saying one thing. They also don't know what is the order. It is not a simple order which anybody can quickly understand. Had it been simple order, it would have been one line. Okay, there is a clean sheet, matter is disposed of. That would have been a simple order. It is not that order. It is the whatever has been collected, whatever has been investigated by SIT and amicus curiae report and my mother, they form a charge sheet, a kind of a charge sheet for the magistrate to look into it. They have to first understand the process of law in India. The court, the cases are run by the lower courts. And if you are dissatisfied by them, you go to the higher court and Supreme Court. Supreme Court has found some merit in my mother's complaint and is given the lower court to start the trials, to conduct the trial. Now, where is the question? I think it is the way things happen in India and we have to follow that.
Well, but the Gujarat Chief Minister's own reaction was unequivocal. Narendra Modi tweeted after the Supreme Court verdict, and I quote, "God is great," unquote. Well, meanwhile, senior BJP leader and leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha, Arun Jaitley, said that the BJP was very happy with the verdict.
The BJP had always maintained that the allegations being made against Mr. Narendra Modi in relation to the 2002 riots were absolutely false, and that there is not a shred of evidence with regard to his involvement in any of the incidents connected with the unfortunate riots of 2002.
Now, moving ahead, former Samajwadi Party leader who is in jail for the cash for vote scam, Amar Singh, has now blamed the BJP. Ram Jethmalani, in fact, arguing for Amar Singh bail, has said that the BJP arranged for the cash that the MPs bought in the parliament. Now, in response, the BJP leader Arun Jaitley said that it is the plea of an accused in the court. No matter how false, the party cannot comment. Now, the court today reserved the order on Amar Singh's interim bail plea till tomorrow. The court has rejected his plea for bail on health grounds after a report said that he's fit to be in jail.
Mr. Jethmalani, you also said that the money has obviously come from the BJP. On what basis are you saying this, sir?
One of the accused has sent a sworn affidavit. His bail application, that's what he has said.
So, but the police is categorically stating in its charge sheet that the source of money, the circumstantial evidence points towards Amar Singh.
No, nothing of the kind. They have no allegation in the charge sheet. Don't misrepresent the poor fellow, because your press will cause a lot of damage. It is not there in the, please take care. It is not there in the charge sheet that he has given the money.
Well, get ready for a match to remember. Nadal versus Djokovic tonight for US Open final. Will it be speech revenge for Rafa, or will Joker's clean sweep continue? We'll find out on the other side.